Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how we can change the user or interface language for your search results in the PrivacyWall search engine. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright guys, to access the PrivacyWall search engine, simply type in here in the URL bar at the top privacywall.org. And here on the home page of PrivacyWall, you'll be given the opportunity to browse through the internet, through the PrivacyWall search engine by typing in your search result or search entry here, search the web. So let me, for example, browse the internet under the search term best customer relationship tools, for example, abbreviated best CRM tools 2025. And on the next page, browse through the search entries below. Now you can, for example, filter a search here at the top by language, publishing date, or by save search feature. So guys, to change the language of your PrivacyWall interface language, simply click on that arrow down icon here where it says English United States and pick the language or the supported language from that list below. And that's basically it. After that, PrivacyWall, including the entire website interface as well as these settings here, will be displayed in your preferred language. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.